you're experiencing audio desync issues in Fortnite, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to enjoying the game with proper audio synchronization. Step 1. Check audio settings. Go to the Fortnite settings menu and navigate to the audio tab. Ensure that all audio settings are configured correctly, including the output device and volume levels. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Make sure your audio driver is up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your audio hardware and download the latest drivers to ensure optimal performance. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Sometimes specific in-game settings can cause audio issues. Try lowering the graphics settings or changing the frame rate limit to see if it improves audio sync. Step 4. Restart the game. Close Fortnite completely and restart it. This can help reset any temporary glitches that may be causing the audio desync. Step 5. Verify game files. If the problem persists, use the Epic Games Launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may resolve the audio issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the audio desync problem in Fortnite. Enjoy your gaming experience.